उड़ू ऊंचा।
Oh, it is so hot. I see so many lemons here. I will make lemonade for me and my friends. To make lemonade, you need 4 lemons, sugar, and cold water. Squeeze the lemons in the jug. Put 8 spoons of sugar and pour cold water in it. Cold lemonade is ready. Lemonade is good when you are feeling hot. Lemonade is good for iftari as well. It refreshes you. Lemon, lemonade. Today we are going to learn the sound of the letter L. Say with me. L. This is a library. Have you ever been to a library? Library is a room where there is a collection of many books. Which book should I read? It has books about lizards, leopards, ladybugs, lamb, and lions. It also has books about light, lava, lightning, and laundry. And you can find so many other books. It is so hard to pick a book. Library, lizard, leopard, ladybug, lamb, lion, light, lava, lightning, laundry.
Like, share and subscribe.